Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's see how to make a popular Southeast Asian dish, which is the chicken Thai curry. So for this curry, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once this oil gets hot, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Thai green curry paste. It's locally available. So let's add the Thai green curry paste and saute it for a minute. I'm also going to add 2 inches of chopped lemongrass. It's a stem that I have chopped over here. Galangal, an inch of galangal. Few Thai pea brinjals. And a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste each. I'm just going to saute this for a minute. I've kept the flame on a medium. Now to this, I'm going to add half a kg of boneless chicken, which I have cut into small cubes. And I'm going to saute this on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. I have some finely chopped bird's eye chili, which is going to give that punch to this Thai curry. So I've taken 3 of them, which I've finely chopped. Just going to add them and I'm going to saute it for a few seconds. Here I have half a liter of thick coconut milk. Let's add this to the chicken. I'm also going to add 250 ml of water. Two teaspoons of fish sauce. A few Kaffir leaves. I have about 4 or 5 of them. I'm just going to tear them. I'm going to just put them into the curry. Stir this well. Normally you have salt in your Thai curry paste, so at this point of time you can check the seasoning and adjust it accordingly. Now let's cook this chicken curry on a medium flame for 15 minutes or till the chicken is done. The chicken is cooked. We've been cooking this Thai curry for 15 minutes. I'm just going to add a few fresh basil leaves to this and give it a final boil, and we're ready to serve this amazing chicken Thai curry. Let's shut the flame and remove this in a serving bowl. This beautifully flavored chicken Thai curry goes extremely well with steamed jasmine rice. So do try this recipe and let me know.